um, we've actually added the ability for you to have your brand voice applied to AI, and I'll show you how that works. You'll see this change voice button at the top here. And in this change voice button, you'll see we've got some saved voice profiles from the previous times that we've demoed this. But I can click on new profile. And when I click on new profile, I have the ability to either upload my brand guidelines if I have those, copy and paste some example copy. So if I have previous blog posts I've written or previous social posts I've written, I can copy and paste those in here up to 100,000 characters, or I can click to create manually. Now let me go to one that I've already done. So I'll go to brand kit here, and inside of brand kit, I'll click on voice profile. One of our favorites to demo is the Darth Vader voice profile, which is right here. Yes, we took content from the internet, stuck it in here, and had our LLM go and figure out his voice and tone and his writing rules. So you can see authoritative, menacing, confident, intimidating. He's got certain writing rules here, incorporate dramatic revelations, for example. And then you can see how that actually applies to the voice. So you can modify this at any point. You can make whatever tweaks you want. So an example of a tweak might be, we just got out of the session around SEO.